Hey, I heard about. I was listening to Joe Rogan's podcast the other day, and he was talking about how they have these things where you can. They have these things. They're called podcast. I don't know what the hell they were called. They're little podcast stations. It's like a little. It's like a podcast station. So basically, he was talking about how you can you can plug your phone into it. And so, like, basically, you know how you sound like shit through your phone. It's like you plug it into that podcast station, and it'll make it sound better. Oh, did you see that YTN pop?
Yeah.
YTN just popped up to 13.6. Dude, I've traded this thing like, golly, man. I'm the worst. Dude, look at that. That's 2 times I've missed it.
Look at that. Look at that.
All right.
I sent you a good snap to get you motivated for this morning.
It's Friday.
Are you live?
Yes, we are.
Oh.
Not just me, Henry. You. And your perverted talking. Yo, you're alive. Yes, we are. Yeah, the in-laws were in town all week long, so I traded on Monday. Monday was a shit show. It just had too many distractions, too many people around me. So then I didn't trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we traded yesterday. But yeah, pretty much you guys can count on every Friday. And then maybe sometimes during the week I might sprinkle 1 or 2 in. Just depends on what's going on. Just to clarify, not that my in-laws suck. It's just that there was just too many people around me. It's hard to focus. Okay, I have to make sure to clarify that so I don't get myself in the doghouse with the old wife. Okay, we can't piss her off. She's lactating. Anyways, so yes, today is February 7th, 2020. Friday, the only February 7th of that you'll ever have. Which brings me to the market. And right now, main watches, you can see it up on my screen, is YTEN. I've already screwed this thing up 2 times already. Yesterday, I bought it at $10. I bought it at $10. Well, actually, I bought it higher than 10. I bought it like at 11, or like 10.75. And then I bought it into the close thinking it was going to squeeze up after hours. And it did. But then right after the close, it started selling off. So I added to my position at around like 9.15. And then as soon as it came back to $10, I sold it for even, and then it just squeezed. So then I got FOMO really bad. And I bought it again at 11.75 into the close, right around here, in after hours. And then I wake up early this morning and I see that it's dropping down to almost $10, and I start freaking out. But it's coming back. So then I sold for even again at 11.75, and now it's squeezing at $13.90. So I've basically screwed that one up 2 times already. This thing has an incredibly low float. The float is YTEN. The float on my software says it's 200,000. So that means this thing has a ton of squeeze potential, which is awesome. So at the open, my plan is to either it dips down and wait for it to find some support, and then I buy it, hopefully selling into the rip. If it rips up and just squeezes right out the open, then I think I'm going to wait for it to squeeze up pull back. I think I'll buy it at VWAP somewhere. So, I think Henry, you're long this right now, aren't you? YTEN.
Yeah, $12.
So Henry bought it when this morning.
Yep.
So Henry bought it this morning at $12. He's up at fucking 6 o'clock in the morning.
Well, I bought it at 11, sold at 12.50, and then it pulled back, and then once it started consolidating around 12, I bought it again.
Okay. On a more positive side, CODX is rolling over. Me and Henry are both on this one. He's long and I'm short. I'm about to take some off. I'm short from $3.48. I put in an order after hours yesterday when it's kind of squeezing up, and it hit, and so I'm short from there. I didn't get up early enough. I would have covered my position had I been up early enough to get rid of this in the 290s, but so I'm gonna cover some right now actually. I think I'm gonna cover. I have 3,000 shares short, so I'm gonna cover 1,500 right now. So we're getting a nice little dump into the market open. Henry's long from 324, and his risk is at, what's your risk at, Henry?
307.
307.
But I'm going to keep an eye on it because it could pull back to 3 and then
bounce and take off.
Yeah.
Why am I not getting a fill? There we go. So it covered 1,500. Never mind. I have 3,500 shares short. Oh, nice. I think I might cover some more. I'll cover the rest in pieces. I might try to reshort at the open if it bounces to the 320s. And all right, covered some more. All right, so yeah, all right, covered some right there.
it keeps getting bought up.
So, and what? So, why'd you buy it, Henry? Explain to why you bought it.
Just because they had some news this morning, launches coronavirus screening test. And you see if it says.
What's the float on this? CODX. It's got a 15 million float, so it's got some squeeze potential. Not old.
I'm not looking for a lot. I mean, I'm looking just to get a nice maybe squeeze to the 360s, 370 where it keeps getting rejected. So, 30, 40 cents is good enough for me.
Yeah, I was. So I got 1,500 shares left. So we'll see where that takes me right now.
Yeah, I mean, it popped over $1 yesterday into the close after hours. Pulled back, consolidating in the 330s. Dropped a little bit this morning, just got bought right up in the 290s, and just now it's been consolidating. So
on the other side of the coin, where I'm at, I've been looking at this thing, and I guess my rationalization is that every time because it's spiked into the close several times, and when it spikes into the close, you'll see a spike into the close, and the next day it fails, and then you have another one squeezed after hours, and then it failed on the 30th. Then the next day on the 31st, it squeezed into the close, and then at the open or the next day it fails. So I'm just expecting this one to kind of. I mean, if this thing got over 350, it's probably it's a buy. I think it's a buy if it gets over 350. Maybe not though. Fuck, I don't know.
Razor, I'm long AR or ASRT from 165. I'm just gonna see what it does at the market open.
Oh yeah, ASRT's on the top percent gainers list, huh?
Yeah, it's just kind of chilling, so I don't know what it's going to do. I mean, it gapped up from yesterday, so it could have a squeeze warning.
So later, after things settle down a little bit from the market open, we'll go over some of the trades this week. I didn't trade much at all.
I'm killed it on MYO.
I didn't trade much at all this last week, but Henry absolutely destroyed it on MYO. So we'll go over that trade later today. Let's see. And then yesterday, me and him, we'll go over a losing trade that me and him were in together yesterday. Yesterday, me and him both lost $1,000 at the same time in the same stock. So we'll go over that one just for fun. So ASRT, we'll look at the daily. Let's look left on the daily. So pretty standard, horrific long-term chart. But now it's gapping up, right?
Yeah, I mean, gapped up yesterday after hours, held. Gapped up a little this morning and held. So who knows?
Yeah, who knows? So, are you already long this one?
Yeah, 160.
160. Henry's already long from 160, so he's up 10 cents on it. What's your risk on it?
Probably when it gapped up yesterday, I mean, 145 for 15 cents.
145?
Yeah.
Jesus, Henry, that's a really wide risk.
I mean, I only got 1,000 shares, so it's $150 to potentially squeeze to 225.
There you go. So he's only got 1,000 shares. But if you're playing with only 1,000 shares is $1,700. If your account is small and say you're only playing with $2,500 or $2,000, I wouldn't recommend keeping your risk that wide.
No.
You need a tighter risk. But whenever 1,000 shares is only 1% of your account or 2% of your account, it's not that big of a deal. And CODX is popping right now before the open. So
1 minute to go.
1 minute to go.
I'm liking the popping.
I'm actually going to short a little more right there into that pop. I just took another 500 shares on CODX short. Hopefully I'm not wrong. I got an order to add more at 340. So I just added to my short right there. We'll see. And then YTEN is the other top watch. So YTEN and CODX top watches for today. And we are 15 seconds away from blast off time. Here we go.
5 seconds.
It's so much fun every day, isn't it?
It's exciting.
It is.
My blood is pumping.
All right, so look at that squeeze on YTEN. Man, are you selling? Are you selling into that, Henry?
I sold half already.
You sold half?
Yep.
I knew I should have just bought it at $13.50. Okay, I'm not gonna buy it here. I'm not gonna buy YTN right here.
Oh, CODX, huge red candle.
Yeah, that is nice, huh? Yeah, big red candle. I probably should cover, but it's getting bought up right here at 13.10. Yeah. I'm gonna let it work a little bit. We'll see. So I'm not gonna buy YTN right now because I think it's gonna. It's not just squeezing. It's not just going up, 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 up. It's just. Yeah. It looks like it's kind of stuck here in the 13 and 14. So I'm gonna let it kind of play. I'm gonna let it set up basically. I'm gonna let the chart set up, and then I'm gonna look for an entry spot. So there it goes. There's the sell-off. There's the big sell-off down to 1269. All right, and CODX is continuing to sell. I think I'm going to cover 500 shares here at 13.
At $3.
Or at $3. Yeah, I covered some at 1309.
309.
And now it's going red on the day. Red to green is 1308. So it's going red on the day. And I think now I'm going to cover some more.
Ooh, did I get lucky? I moved my stop to 305. And I'm glad I went from 307 to 305 because I'm like, I don't think it's going to go any lower.
Yeah, so right here at you can't see, on the E-Trade Pro platform, it's testing 1309. This is the red to green move right here, 1309. So it's bouncing off of that red to green.
309. Are you talking about
309. 309. Yeah, 309, not 1309. So let me see. I got 1,250 shares left. I'll hold these. We'll see if it bounces here or if it continues down. Meanwhile, CODX, I'm thinking about, not CODX. I'm thinking about hopping in this one. Looked like it found a base. Maybe. Maybe I'll get in around close to 12. Okay, I'm thinking about buying right here. Okay, I put an order in at 1285. And I didn't get in. What just happened? Oh, I got a partial fill. I got a fill. I got a fill at 1285. I think I'm going to risk 1250 on YTEN. Okay, I got my stop loss in at 1245. So we'll see how it holds this 1250 level. This thing's a very volatile stock, so it's got a float of 200,000. YTEN does. So with a float,
it's going to hit $15.
So with a float that low, as long as there's interest in the stock, this thing has tons of squeeze potential.
Yeah, I mean, I predict it's going to hit $15 at least. I have a lot of
Conviction?
conviction on that because of a lot of level 2. I think it's been a lot of sell to 16 bucks.
So it's about to hit my stop loss. It should already hit my stop loss. Sell. Why is my stop loss not? Oh, okay, there it goes. All right, so it hit my stop loss, which sucks.
I took out my shares because my original position was 12 bucks. So.
Yeah, you had a much better position. Is it gonna keep going down? Do I want to buy here? Dang it! There it goes.
Back a little bit low V. What happened?
Okay, I rebought it again at 1285 once again. It's holding this level, so it's holding. It hit my stop loss. It barely hit my stop loss and then came back. So apparently I didn't keep my stop loss wide enough. So we'll hang out here. I'm going to try to hold it for a little bit. I bought 500 shares this time. Meanwhile, CODX looks like it's finding some support. No, it's putting a little bounce right now. So we'll just let this one work. Got a good entry on it, so we'll just hang out and let that one do its thing for a minute. Meanwhile, let's check on ASRT. Is dumping. Oh gosh, YTEN. Take shit in the bed right now.
Yeah, it's getting bought up.
So I'm gonna try not to panic out here.
Yeah, I think between 12 and 1250 is kind of a good support level. ASRT might be the spot to buy that pullback at 155.
I'm just gonna focus completely and solely on YTEN.
Yeah, that one's the most volatile one. So
I'm gonna look at the chat and see what everybody else is talking about. A lot of people are talking about LITH. That was a multi-day runner. I forgot about that one.
LITH.
Oh, but it crashed. It crashed at the open. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna stick with this YTN right now. Even though I'm in the hole right now, about 250. I kind of like how it's holding this $12. I think it's gonna come back. I'm tempted to add to my position, add another 500 shares, right down here at 12, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna wait. The red to green on it is 1047. 1047 is the red to green. So it's testing 12. So red to green's quite a bit lower. So right now my entry sucks. I put in an ad in 1163. I'm going to try to add one more time. I'll have 1,000 shares. See if it gets bought up here. Change order. Come on, bitch.
Sweet, sweet.
Alright, I got another shitty entry on YTEN. Oh, no, I didn't. I got it at... What did I get it at? Where's my... Okay, 1196 is where my ad is. So now my average price is 1241. So now if I can just get it back to... So yeah, my average price is 1241. So I'm 20 cents underwater right now. Only down 100 bucks on it right now. If it pops up to the 1280s real quick, I'm gonna sell half my, get out my original position. And CODX is going red on the day. So at least something's going my way. Or about to go red. Did you sell CODX yet, Henry?
Nope.
Henry's gonna hold it. So yeah, CODX officially going red. So I don't know how much panic we're gonna get out of that. I'll probably cover into a flush somewhere close to 3, because it could find support at the whole dollar, half dollar mark. So there we go, down to 301. So I'm gonna try to cover some at 3. Put an order to cover at 301.
Yeah, my stop 295, and I'm out.
Okay. Meanwhile, YTN is
Starting to grind back.
starting to grind back a little bit. So holding the 1150s. I got a shitty ad in the 1190s. My average is the 1240s. Henry's got what's your position? What's your entry again, Henry? On
12 bucks.
12 bucks.
But I'm going to be very patient with it because, like I said, I think it's going to go to 15 or better. So I'm not going to get scared out unless it's really tanked, obviously. But since I'm up quite a bit already, my risk is going to be like almost 11 bucks. I mean, I'm not going to get scared out. So
So there we go. I'm only down 10 cents if I were to sell right now.
And he's got a lot of support from 11 to 12 bucks, so.
So right now we're just hanging out, letting it work.
Work.
Oh, I'd love to see a pop up to 13 so I could sell half my position. And then I would feel comfortable. Like right now, I don't like being underwater. Right now,
Yeah, I'd probably sell another half if it's squeezed at 13.
right now I'm down a little bit, so. But I mean, a squeeze to 13 is not asking for a whole lot. I mean, high days up here at 15 or close to 15 in the 1450s. So out of CODX at 308. Oh, so you were buying CODX, Jamie? Leroy Conley, NNVC, good support at 860. I was looking at that one yesterday.
It just has no volume right now. It's not moving.
Yeah.
I was watching that too.
I agree with Henry. Nobody's interested in it right now. I mean, you're right. There is some support to be had on it.
Just, we like price action, volume.
Yes.
I like a lot of people involved.
Yeah, there's nobody's interested in it right now. It's not moving. So if it's not volatile and it's not moving, I'm not interested. But yeah, you're right. There is some support, but I'm trying to make money in like the next 10 minutes, next hour, not in the next week or few days. So we're looking for volatility, volume. Oh, that scared me. YTEN, there we go. And maybe I'm giving YTEN too much time because it's making me really, really nervous right now. Okay, I probably should have sold in that pop at 12.50 for break even. In fact, I am going to sell right here at 12.40 and get out for break even. All right, I just sold at 12.44, so I made like 4 cents on it. But what I am going to do, because I'm a little uncomfortable with my position size, I'm going to wait for it to pull back to 12, and I'm going to rebuy again on a smaller position size, so I'm not so uncomfortable. Put in an order at 12.19. I'm going to buy, instead of 500 shares, I'm going to buy 300 shares. Okay, if I can get executed, I put an order at 12.19.
And you're going to miss out on making higher lows. And then wicks are just getting bought up.
Okay, I got an execution at 12:31. I got executed. So now instead of 1,000 shares, I only got 300. Yeah, I'm gonna make less money, but I'm controlling my risk. I'm not risking as much money. And that's what you have to do when you're trading. Is you got to control your risk. That's the most important thing, is to control your risk. So I'm thinking about, I think I might keep my risk tight here and only risk $12. Risk 30 cents. CODX just consolidating around the $3.08 level. I think I'm going to take off another 250 shares just to lock in some more profits, because it's holding around that area. So I don't know if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, but so I'm going to risk $12 on YTEN. I'm not going to give it a whole lot of space to. And then if it dips down more, if it dips below it, fine, so be it. I might try to rebuy it again. instead of adding. And if it does go lower, you know, maybe I'll take a bigger position. I'm not sure. All right, so I'm putting my stop loss in at 11.98. That $12, it's holding that $12 really nicely right there. So, I mean, ultimately, I probably should risk 11.50 is where I should risk, but uh-oh, there it goes. I didn't get my order in quick enough. So I guess I'll have to risk 11.50. It just got bought up. Okay, it just got bought up at 11.90. So we'll see if it keeps getting bought up right here. Okay, I put my risk in at the low of this candle right here, so I put it in at 11.86. So just put in a higher low on the 1 minute chart. So we'll see if it can stay above that.
I just bought SGBX at 311.
SGBX.
I'm gonna just test it. It was a reverse split on Wednesday at 1 for 20. Got less than $1 million float. It could maybe go today. Reverse splits like to do that.
Look at the daily chart. So it gapped up. Oh, it's a reverse split, yeah.
A 1 for 20 on Wednesday, and so the float's less than $1 million.
Does everybody understand a reverse split? If you don't understand a reverse split, we'll talk about it in a little while. Right now, if you don't understand a reverse split, and we'll talk about that here in a bit. So what price you buy it at, Henry?
311.
311?
Yep.
Okay, so Henry's watching that one. Meanwhile, CODX is popping off of $3. So glad I covered a little bit down there. Popping up to VWAP. We'll see what it does here. Keep that one on watch. Jamie's bullish on CODX with you, Henry. He says CODX could definitely be a potential Friday short squeeze. So basically it's me against you guys. No, I don't feel that way.
There she's gonna go. 315.
See, it's great. So me, from a short seller's perspective, I'm looking at this as a spot to add.
If it breaks through VWAP, it's gonna go.
So I'm thinking about adding here at 315, which probably there's no shares to short now, which bodes well for longs. No shares to short on CODX anymore. And hey, look at this. YTEN's putting in a nice support base here. Yes, I'm gonna pump this in the chat a little bit. YTEN forming some nice support at 12. Long from risking 11. All right, there you go. Just announced my position in the chat. Jamie, you're usually short bias too? Yes, yeah, Chosen V. We saw MYO. Henry actually made 18,000 on it. I think Tuesday. I missed it 100%. I didn't even trade. I missed it completely. Watching MYO was very, very painful for me because I almost bought it into the close on Tuesday, and I almost bought it into the close on Wednesday, And then both days I didn't pull the trigger, and it gapped up like $6 a share both days.
And I traded it probably about 8 times Monday, 8 times Tuesday, 8 times Wednesday. I traded it multiple times. The dip, sold the rip. My best one was I got in at 19 and I sold into the open when it hit $40.
Oh! YTEN took me out.
See that big tail though? It's just getting ate up at 11.50 out. I don't know.
You're right. I don't know how many more times I can trade this thing though, dude. It keeps fucking me.
Gotta get it by at 11.55.
Alright, this is the last time I'm going to trade this piece of shit. Okay, I just got it at $12.05. And I mean, 11.50 is my max. Is going to be my max pain level with it. If it can't hold over this 11.50 mark, fuck it. I'm going to be done with it. Alright, there we go. And I'm out. Fuck me, man. Oh, I just gave back all my profits from my CODX short. Great. So you killed it on MYO, Chosen V? I'm going to pull up the chart. Let's look at it. MYO. Let's look at this chart. This piece of garbage. Alright. I got it up right now. What did you buy it at? Let's go over your trade, Henry. What did you buy it at?
Oh, there's so many. I mean, I first initially bought it at $12.
On day one?
Yeah, and I sold into like 16, pulled back, bought into 15. I think I sold into 24, 25, half, and then I sold the other end of the $35 put.
The next morning, huh?
There's so many. Yeah, I was buying and selling. It was so awesome. It was buy the dips, sell the rips. I mean, it was ripping $3, $4, $5. I mean,
I almost bought it down here at the end of day one, down at 13, and I didn't. And I would have made $6 a share. I was going to buy 300 shares. Then the next day, I almost bought it here at $21. And if I would have done that, I would have made like $4 a share.
That day it squeezed at 40. I bought pre-market at $19.50, and I sold at $38. That was my best one.
Jesus Christ. Sold at $38? My God.
It popped. Like the first minute, it was squeezing, and I honestly was squeezing so fast, I put a market order in, and it took me out of 38.
Henry, Chosen V asks if we think it's going to go back to 30.
I'm watching it. I mean, it's consolidating really good between $19 and $22. So it's watching, but it's not moving much today. I mean, I don't know if not much value like it was all week.
Did you sell YTEN yet?
I'm at.
Okay, because I'm officially revenge trading it now. I just longed it again at 11:30.
No, I told you my maximum pain level. I didn't put a stop loss in yet. I was watching it.
I mean, it's close to green to red right now. So red to green is 11.50. So it's getting close to that level on YTEN. I mean, honestly, I don't think MYO. Only way I think MYO is going to come back to $30 is if it consolidates and then gets some volume. But do I think that's going to happen today? No. I mean, it's not doing shit today. There's no volume, no interest in it right now.
But that's not saying next week it might not run again.
It's true.
It's staying on the watch list, put it that way.
Yeah, I mean, I really can't say if it's going to or if it isn't because I don't have any clue. All right, here's the panic.
I'm out of YTEN.
This thing has got to bounce sooner or later, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's the red to green test. It's got to put in a bounce sooner or later. Maybe I think our timing is just bad, or my timing is bad. Maybe I'm getting emotionally caught up on this stupid thing. Meanwhile, CDO, okay, I got it again at 1182. I added. So now my average is 1107. So if I get a pop up to 12, that'll be close to $1,000. That'll make back everything I lost and give me a nice win on the day. CODX, meanwhile, just hanging around, chopping around.
I like it. See that big red candle? That big long wick just bawed right up.
So it's hanging around $3, man. This thing does this though. It like, you know, it'll just consolidate for an entire day, and then all of a sudden out of nowhere just rip. CODX. See, look at it. Look at that day. Just kind of chopped around. $3. Right here, down here, kind of chopped around and came back. Yesterday, just went sideways all day. This thing will just go sideways, so I'm not gonna hang out with it. I'm gonna next little dip. Since it's not breaking down the way I want it to break down, I'm probably just gonna get out here pretty quick at 11. Actually, I'll just get out now. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set a risk.
I'm back in YTN at 11:05.
So yeah, I'm in at 11:07. So I'm gonna set my risk on, as long as it stays under VWAP, so $3.16. I'm gonna put in a stop loss on at $3.16 on.
Holy shit! I forgot about. Yeah, damn! I forgot I still had ADRO.
Which one?
ADRO.
A is in Apple. B.
D is in David. R-O.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. I was wondering about that because yesterday you were long that, and then
I've been long this whole week. I bought it at 213.
Yeah, I remember you talking about. And then I saw it rip into the after hours. Remember, I texted you. I was like, "Hey, ADROs is
yeah,
going."
And I put a stop loss and never hit it yet. So honestly, I forgot about it. It just popped up on my high day scanner.
Yeah, it's a multi-day runner actually. Hell, actually, this thing, it's a multi-day runner. I'm
waiting for a big squeeze.
I'm starting to think about a short on it. Maybe I'm just desperate for a good trade. So yeah, it's at 284 now. But it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So I'll just hang out. It's got a float of 79 million. So that's why it kind of, ooh. So yeah, I'm going to put this one up on my charts.
Dang, look at that big green candle. Jesus.
We'll watch it for a potential, you mean red candle?
Or red candle, sorry.
Ugh. So I'm going to watch this one for a potential short. Yeah, that one's, hopefully it keeps squeezing. But that is that's a pretty sad. That sucks if it's going to roll over right here. I want it to go higher. Meanwhile, YTEN just selling the fuck off. Damn it, man. Oh, I traded this one bad. Traded this one so bad. I could have just traded my CODX, just taken that one trade, and then just been done with it and be done with it for the day. And I would have had nice profits on the day. But, oh well. It's not over yet. We got support down here. Red to green on this is 10.50, I think. So it'll be officially red on the day at $10.47. So I think I don't even know if there was ever any shares to short on this. I never even checked. I assume there wasn't because it's only a float of 200,000. I jump in again at 19. Are you talking, Chosen V? Are you talking about an NVC or MYO? AKER low float. Let's look at it. AKER. LPTH hitting the high day scanner. Wow. Breaking out of consolidation, getting over the 200 moving average. AKER, yeah, you're right, dude. Look at this thing. It's kind of spiking.
Talk about my chart.
Huh?
It didn't pop up on mine.
On your LPTH? It hit my high day scanner just now.
AKER.
Yeah, AKER is kind of spiking. It's gotten over this, over the 360s. It's moving. Wow. It's really squeezing right now. AKER. It's at 4 now. Wow. Yeah, it looks like a multi-month breakout. There's a gap to fill all the way up to $5. I'll put this one on watch for sure. Hey, good. Glad you pointed that one out. Chosen V. Put this one up on the chart.
It's got a gap to fill almost to $6.
Yeah. I guess it depends on how you look at the chart. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm looking at the bottom of this candle back in December. So, yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's got a gap to fill up close to 6. That'd be awesome if this thing squeezes that far. I mean, of course, I don't think it will, but meanwhile, I'm just desperately clinging on to YTEN. Should have let this motherfucker go a long time ago. I mean, I want to think that this is the spot where it bounces. But who knows? There it goes. It's about to test red to green. Or green to red. 1050 is the green to red move, Henry. Is it going to hold? Is it going to hold this spot?
Well, with the trend, I'm going to have to say no, but you would think it's got to, like I said, have a bounce.
It should get a reversal here. I mean, if you look at... Also, if you look at it, it should find support from yesterday. Look at yesterday. Look at yesterday's high. See, yesterday's high is around 1150. It closed at 1150 yesterday. So that's the red to green line. So close right here. Right there. So, you know, it should find some... Theoretically, it should find support right around here, right in this, you know, between 1150 and or 1050 and 11. So it should find some support there. And we should at least get a bounce up to 12. You know, at least get a bounce up to VWAP. Wouldn't you say?
I would say so.
I mean, fuck, man. I mean, it's down $4 a share. There we go. There's a little pop. Let's go. I'm gonna alert this in the chat. All right. One more time.
One more time.
Here we go, Henry. I'm going to sell, I got 1,000 shares I'm going to sell in $250 chunks. So right now I'm up 200 on it. Come on, bitch. I'm going to try to sell my first chunk at 11.45. Come on. Come on. Give me my first chunk. Don't make me sell at 11:30. Alright, he's going to make me sell at 11:30. Damn it. Keep me patient, Henry.
Patience, my dear Watson. Patience.
That's my last name, guys. Watson. I'm just kidding. Yeah, if this thing bounces to 12, I'm going to have a nice winner on the day. And then all the... Come on, bitch.
Come on.
Ah. Ah. Uh-oh. My wife just scolded me for my cussing. She said, your daughter just repeated you. Meanwhile, AKER is taking a dump. There we go. There's 11:30.
Ooh, dude.
I'm going to sell some right here, Henry, at 11:30. I can't help it.
Okay. I know I'm throwing a lot of tickers being thrown at, but I don't know if it popped up on your high day, TNAV.
No, it did not. Okay, I just sold my... I'm selling my... Okay, I just sold some at 11:35.
I had to buy TNAV. The daily's just too good on.
As soon as...
Had good earnings come out today.
TNAV?
Yeah.
TNAV. Yeah, so I'm going to try to keep my language down to PG until my kid goes to school. TNAV. I'm looking at it. I'm just going to focus on YTEN right now. ASRT testing VWAP. So let's look at that one. ASRT. Testing VWAP. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, here basically it's doing what we're hoping that YTEN will do. Oh, look at that. CODX going red on the day. Testing $3. And YTEN. So I got ASRT up over here on a side chart. We'll keep an eye on that one for you. ASRT. There we go. Yeah, it's coming back. Look at that. It found support at $1.50 and it's trying to come back, man. It's a breakout too. And if you look at the daily chart on ASRT, man, I wish I would have got that at 11.50. ASRT. If I would have got that, if you look at the daily on it, look left on the daily, that's perfect support. It's a whole dollar, half dollar number at 150. That's a good buy right there at 150, I think. Meanwhile, I'm glad I sold 250 shares of YTEN because now it's pulling back. Still not working. So now I got to put my stop loss in. I'm not staying. Man, I really like that buy off of 150 right there. LPTH still hitting the high day scanner. LPTH still going. LPTH. Still hitting the high day scanner. Look at that one. That one's going. LPTH. That one is moving. Okay, I can't chase it up here though. Here, let me turn off the TV. All right, so there we go. Man, LPTHs. Multi-day runner. I'm going to have to keep this one up on a side screen too. CODX. Going down. I should probably take off some more right here. Lock in some gains. Yes, I'm going to lock in some gains on CODX at $3. Alright, I covered 500 shares on CODX. 303. Hang on to the rest. See if we can get some more downside on it. Put my stop loss in at 317 on CODX. So recouped some of the losses that I took on YTEN. So now I'm down 200 bucks on the day. LPTH continues to go. LPTH getting a lot of attention. LPTH. Look at that. Right there, that, see it? There you go. Here, look, you had the spike, a little pullback. Put in a bull flag right here, and now it's squeezing. Are you looking at LPTH, Henry?
Yep. FOMO got me. I just bought it at 135.
God, you're crazy, dude. FOMO got him, he says. Meanwhile, ASRT, let me get ASRT, adding that to the watch list. Where?
I'll be left for a couple minutes, got rejected a little bit, but
Where's it at? ASRT. Where's it at? How come I can't find it? Okay, we'll put it here. ASRT. So ASRT pulling back to 157. This is starting to look like it's an entry. Oh, my baby's crying. I can't do anything for him. So right here, I mean, I'm thinking of entering ASRT right here.
yeah, I'm still in it.
Oh, you're in ASRT already?
Yeah, I'm in at 160.
Okay, I'm buying ASRT right now.
145, and it got to 147. It almost took me out, but it didn't.
So I just bought at 158. And meanwhile, YTEN is starting to look more promising and more promising. It's consolidating nicely. Oh, once I say that, it has a little dip. How come it's not pulling up on my watch list? What the hell? ASRT. I'll fix that later, I guess. Oh, it's already there. Duh.
It's got huge resistance in this area, like huge.
Which one does?
ASRT. From
Why do-
150 to 163.
Why do you say it's got huge resistance there?
So I'm looking at my level 3, and there's just a lot of sellers at that, and then from 158 to 163.
It's a slow mover. I mean, it's got a float of 63 million, so.
So I'm not too excited to
Yeah,
sell
me
it.
either. It doesn't have a ton of squeeze potential in it. ASRT testing VWAP. Yes, sir, you are correct. It's just, I don't know if I like it now, because the float's so big on it. Just, you know, I'd be sitting here till Christmas trying to get 20 cents out of it. Meanwhile, I'm really starting to like how this YTEN is setting up.
Yeah.
Here we go. There's the $11. Hopefully it can bounce off of this. God, if we get a squeeze up to 12 bucks on YTEN, I'm gonna be done for the day. Yes, baby. I'm working right now, sweetheart. All right. I do not like. I'm out of ASRT. I don't have the patience for it, and I don't want to think about it or focus on it. So I'm out of that one. Because I want to focus completely on totally on YTEN. Come on. It's found a nice support base. We got a risk level of a solid risk level at 1050, and it's curling up. So I know. Hi, baby. There we go. Meanwhile, CODX, red on the day. Holding 3 though. Come on, get some volume.
Come on, YTEN, squeeze.
There we go. There we go.
Squeeze for
There we go.
I wanted to break the 1140 and pass that.
If it gets to 1150, if it gets, I'm gonna start selling anything over 1150. I'm gonna sell another 250 shares. If it even gets there, God, maybe I should just sell some more right here at 1130.
It's gonna get there. Patience is a virtue, Brian doesn't have.
See, I could have sold some there, and I could have added right back here at a lower spot.
Do what you do. Do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Do what you gotta do.
How many shares do you have, Henry?
I only have 500 shares left.
See, I got 750, and you already have a win on it on the day. You're already green on the trade today. I'm not green on it. You know.
True. True.
So I gotta guard myself. I gotta keep a tighter risk, and I gotta, you know,
True.
I gotta take profits a little bit quicker because, well, I'm red on the day. Well, actually, if I sold all my positions right now, I'd be even, or I'd be up just a small bit. So I got that short still working for me on CODX. And then I got this one.
I was 2 cents from being taken out of CODX.
Meanwhile, ASRT just going sideways between trading in a channel between looks like $1.50 and $1.60. Where's the LPTH? Let's look at that one. See how that one's doing. LPTH pulling back to $1.26. If I was gonna buy LPTH, I'd buy it right here.
It's testing VWAP now, so I'm hoping it bounces off of VWAP. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out of it.
You don't like it?
Well, not if it just keeps going down. I don't like it.
I'm thinking about buying it right here on this little pullback.
Well, that's what I'm saying. That it's hopefully gonna bounce off of VWAP. That's my
All right, I bought it.
hope.
I'm gonna buy more actually. All right, so I bought LPTH. LPTH. There we go. I bought it on this pullback to VWAP at 126. And it's also at this morning's support. See, it's got support from this morning right in this consolidation zone. It's got support right there, so we'll see how if that can squeeze back up towards high a day. So there's the plan with that one. The risk, I would say, would be 120 for me. The risk. Bought 1,500 shares. Kind of wish I would have bought 2,000. It's cheap stock. Forgot to look left on the daily though. Wow, this thing's up a lot. It's doubled. It's got a float of 24 million. So it's got more squeeze potential than ASRT. So we'll see what it does right here. Probably start selling some. There we go. There's 130. CODX going lower.
Just took me out, 295. Alright, I'm done with that until it starts to squeeze again.
Alright, I sold some, sold 500 shares of my LPTH. See if we can get a squeeze up to 140 on LPTH.
Brian wants a squeeze. He wants a squeeze.
Let it chop around up here for a second. See what happens. I think I'm going to risk the low. So 120.
Too bad you didn't listen to my text I sent you the other day about APDN that had earnings report. I think it was yesterday. I sent you the text. I don't know why. I was at work, so I didn't buy it, but we could have got it at $3.50. It's $5 typically.
It's $5 today?
It just hit 5.16, pulling back now, but
APDN?
APDN, yeah.
Oh, what, dude? I'm never gonna buy before earnings.
No, I sent you a text. They're doing earnings.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. So the earnings came out when, yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm never gonna buy prior to earnings.
And it's another stock that, well, okay, I guess it beat their estimate, so aren't they?
So it's an earnings winner.
No. ES beats 112 beats estimate. It's a winner, but they missed what they projected it to hit. But anyway, that sucks. Oh well.
Okay, we still got YTEN just chopping around this $11 area. God, I thought I was going to go there for a second, man. You know, I thought I was going to squeeze back, and I know it's just going sideways still. Not a whole lot of interest in it. And
there's a lot of stocks like setting up that, you know, could all have potential to just squeeze, but none of them are moving. Another one just popped up, EGAN. Damn it. Really like an APDN. It's a low float. The volume's coming in.
Are you still in YTEN?
Yeah, I'm still in YTEN at $11.05.
Yeah, same here. I got my wrist set at 1046. It looks like it's about to hit that, man. You know? Ugh, it's not looking good right now. Hopefully it can bounce off that. Yeah, EGAN hitting the high day scanner right now.
Yeah, I just said that, yeah. Look at that grinder. That would have been a nice pullback buy at 767.
CRBP hitting the high day scanner. ADPN hitting the high day scanner. Oh, and there goes LPTH. Testing 121. I'm going to put my stop loss in at 119. Stop on quote.
Could be just a fake out. See what it does.
I'm not going to give a lot of room. There you go. I put it in at 118. I could buy more here. That might be the spot to buy, huh?
I see a lot of buys at 120.
I just bought more at 122. I'm still keeping my stop loss at 118 though. And it just hit it. I'm gonna bounce off of that. Still got 1,000 shares though. Only sold half of them.
I like that little support from 115 to 120. That initial pop.
Alright, I put my stop loss in at 117. Hopefully it'll stay over that.
The break 114 amount.
Meanwhile, YTEN holding 1072. It's looking weak, man. I think it's about to bust through and go red on the day. CODX down to 294. So we're just hanging out.
Hanging around downtown by myself, and I had too much caffeine.
I bought some more. I bought some more LPTH at 1122 again, or at 122. My stop loss is still going to be 117.
Did you see the news on APDN they just put out at 9:20?
No, I did not see the news. APN. Bye-bye. What did the news say, Henry? Read it out.
Collaborate for development of linear DNA vaccine candidate against Wuhan coronavirus. I think I'm going to buy it 480 here.
That's no, Henry is still in YTEN, Chosen V. He's still in at $11.07, I think.
1105.
1105. He's expecting to hit 12 again. That's what we're hoping for, is $12. We're hoping it gets a pop-up to VWAP. But right now it's just consolidating, and it's looking weak down here. You know, the green to red spot is 1050, so that's my uncle. That's my absolute get the fuck out.
I got 1040.
I got my stop loss set at 1046. So we shall see. Oh, my kid's gone now. I can fucking cuss, talk shit. Oh, I still got my other kid here, though, but he's a baby. You don't know what the fuck's going on. There we go. Look at that YTEN pop back. Come on. Every time I get excited, though, it just keeps teasing me, man. See, it gets a little pop, and I think it's going to come back, and then it just, it gets rejected. We'll see, though. What'd you say, Henry?
There you go. No better. You sounded different for a second.
Oh, it's because my Bluetooth hooked up, and when my wife started her car,
Oh.
So I'm getting my hopes up right now that YTEN is about to pop off and go. I mean, it's consolidated. Fuck. Can we get a pop to $12? Can I make $1,000 one fucking time?
The kids are gone. Now I can cuss.
I know, huh?
I couldn't resist. I'm in APDN at 480.
Henry's an APDN.
I think it's going to squeeze.
You're in at what?
480.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's setting up the bull flag.
Yeah, it's just looking too good.
It could probably go, man.
Looking too good. Did you say you got your shorts in on ADRO?
No, I did not short ADRO.
Oh,
No.
it's approaching 290.
I'm seeing that right now. I'm watching it. I got it up on a chart, but
Man, another low floater just popped up. Man, there's a lot of stocks moving. DRAD, D-R-A-D.
that one did not hit my high day scanner. DRAD? DRRAD. Not much volume.
Not much volume right now, but it's only up 12%, but
I got it up on a side chart. We'll see how it goes.
yeah.
I'm in three positions right now. I got YTEN.
No, I know.
I got YTEN, LPTH, and CODX. And I got stop losses on all of them.
Yep.
I mean, I'm green on all three of them right now. So
I'm liking Y10. I'm liking the way it's setting up here, so.
yeah, Y10 looks like, it's got a nice support base. So I just hopefully it doesn't get. It's just like trading in this channel between, the 1060s and 11.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Anyone in anything while we're just chilling to see if these stocks do anything? My APDN's pulling back. Hopefully there it goes, it bounces off a VWAP. So that's good. I'm just hoping the news catches for the APDN. To sell what one chose and what one you in?
Oh. Damn! I just fucking let out a giant turd out of my butt, and I named it Henry. Oh, man. Okay.
APDN is testing VWAP right now.
Okay, and your DRAD is going up.
Yeah, I didn't get in that. I'm just watching it.
APDN. Testing VWAP.
If APDN
Oh.
might sell that and get in grab.
And we got LPTH just consolidating. Hopefully I can get a squeeze back up. I'm long at 122. Risking 117. Hopefully we can get a squeeze back towards high a day. And ADRO. Dang it. I should have took that short right there at the 280 level. There's not a lot of range with this stock though, so I don't care about missing it. Meanwhile, Y10 still consolidating. Anybody else in Y10?
Chosen V.
Oh, you are? Nice. What price are you in at, Chosen V? Hopefully, the closer you are to 1050, the better. What price you get it at? God, I hope you don't say 12. If you do, that's okay.
Brian, there might have been your pullback to buy at APDN. It's bouncing off a VWAP, 465.
I'm not taking on any more trades, man. I already got 3. My attention can't be too spread out.
I know, I got 4. But I
You
guess
know what I
stop
mean?
loss fit in them all. So.
I can't have too many going on at once. You know what I mean? I can only watch so many charts at once. 1070, nice fucking entry, bro. Damn.
Oh yeah, awesome entry.
That's a fucking killer entry. You're only risking 20 cents, 25 cents on a $10 stock. That's very, very good risk reward. You know, risking 20 cents. Hopefully, you make $1.50. This piece of shit ain't got no volume though, man. Damn, I'm losing my patience with it. I mean, I might just exit out for break even right here. It's consolidating. It's really annoying me.
Are you gonna sell for break even and buy something else?
Well, I mean, we're kind of moving into. We're not moving into midday 100% yet, but
You're not gonna buy anything else tomorrow. Just hang out and chill.
I'm not gonna give YTEN too much more time. It's really pissing me off. I mean, how much more? It's consolidating right over green to red. Just consolidating. Damn, man, you got a good entry. LPTH still consolidating right at VWAP. So those are my three positions. I got LPTH at $1.22. I got YTEN at $11. And then CODX at $3.48. Well, maybe I should take the rest of that one off. YTEN is my main watch. So what about anybody else make any money this week? I'm basically break even on the week. What was that? What was that stock that we lost $1,000 on yesterday, Henry? What was it? Yesterday?
Let me go back. What's that show?
What was it? I forgot.
AMSC.
AMSC. AMSC? Yeah, so me and Henry traded this together yesterday. Uh-oh. Stop loss just got hit on YTEN. Fuck, you piece of shit.
Yep.
God damn it.
I'm out.
Oh, that's annoying as fuck, dude. Oh, I'm so irritated with this stock right now.
Alright, I'm gonna put an alert for it to hit 1150, and then before I get interested in it again.
Jamie's up. You're up $15 or $1,500? Oh, 159. Nice. I'm basically break even on the week. Yesterday we lost 1,000 on this one. Let's see, let's pull up the chart from yesterday. I don't even remember what did we do? Okay, it spiked up. How did we lose money on this?
I'm looking at the other one to see if that was it.
I was about to say, I don't remember trading this.
Was it POAI?
No. Come on, Henry. This just happened yesterday, dude.
I know. I'm looking at my recent trades, and that's all the ones that are in there. Like, I don't... It had to be the...
MSC.
Yeah, MSC. Because it got halted. Because I bought I bought
Oh yeah, it did get halted, didn't it?
I bought an 832, sold into the halt.
Where's the halt at? I don't see any halts on it.
Yeah, it got halted yesterday.
AMSC?
AMSC, yeah. Got halted like, I don't know, like 920 or something, 925. Remember it got halted and I said it was at 860. I'm like, well, I'm going to put an order to buy at 875. And
Oh, we bought the top.
yeah, we bought the top and it just shit on the bed. It's one of the rare halts that didn't have a second halt. It just gradually went down and we kept buying. And
I remember it now.
my last sell was at 738, but
Yeah, we thought maybe it could hold this VWAP.
yeah. And now it's just hanging around 720 today.
We thought it could hold this VWAP, and then it just broke down. Took too many shares.
It was one of the few stocks that got halted that didn't have a second pop halt. It went the opposite. Usually that doesn't happen. That's, you know.
Are you sure it was AMSC? I can't even remember now.
There was the other one, POAI, that got halted too.
No, wasn't that one.
That's the only ones on my recent thing here, so I don't know what else, what other one it was.
So anyways, I ended up making all my money back yesterday on BLNK. This thing sold off so hard. So it spiked into the close, and I shorted this spike. I shorted this spike, and then it came down. I got a quick cover, and then it bounced, and I shorted some more at $3, and then I was covering into this flush. Then I actually bought it. I actually bought it down here at I think like 255, and then I sold it 270. So I took that piece right there, and that got me back to even. So I broke even yesterday, broke even on Monday, didn't trade Tuesday, Wednesday. So here we are. Now I'm going to end the week red. Yeah, the start of February hasn't been that great for me. Made a little over 8,000 in January, so it was a good month. But right now, with that YTEN trade, fuck. Now I'm down $700 on the day, which isn't life changing, but I hate ending the week on a red note. So, and then none of the other trades are really. I don't really see anything else that's really looking that good for me. You know, I mean, LPTH is. It's not looking that great. I mean, it's under VWAP. I guess it could come back. I got my risk set in at $1.17, so I'll just let it work and grind. YTEN. Did you stay in Chosen V on YTEN, or did you get out? It took me out. I'm going to be really pissed if it comes back right here. I don't think it's going to, though. There's not a lot of... There doesn't seem to be a lot of interest in it. You know, it's got zero volume. It needs some volume. Yeah, it's got no volume. I mean, we're moving into midday, so the chances of it getting volume right now is not that great.
Not that great, but it seems like a lot lately. You know, 11 o'clock, like before lunch, a lot of stock squeezing for whatever reason.
You gotta love Henry. He's so optimistic, isn't he?
Hey, you gotta be.
Yep, you're still here praying. Yeah, me too. Yep, there it goes.
What?
Y10. It's about to go red on the day. It's going red on the day. I mean, you'd think you'd get a bounce around here somewhere. It's not just going to sell off the whole fucking day. Right?
What's the overall market doing? Maybe that's the issue. SPY. The SPY is...
Probably bullish as fuck. No, SPY... Oh, wow. SPY sold off. Gap down. Now it's kind of bouncing a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep. Overall market butting up against that. There it goes. What? There it goes. It's officially red on the day. Fuck this stock.
For now.
Well, I hope you... Don't hold and hope, man. Chosen V. You can't watch this the whole day. Oh, yeah. I'm taking a break, too. I think about...
Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, LPTH kind of bouncing off consolidation here. Nice. So at least something's working out. Christ. Maybe I'll just sell into this little pop right here. I mean, I'm up $100 on it. Yeah, so we'll let that work. LPTH. YTEN is just pure disappointment. But we don't want to hold and hope. You know, just have your risk. Cut the trade if it doesn't work, and then move on to something else. Right? Because remember, it's like the bus stop. Chosen V says, Dios mío. So, oh my God, help me. Right? That's what that means, right? Oh my God, help me. I agree, buddy. Can't all work. That's why you just got to stick to your risk and just cut it, man. You know, if it doesn't do what you think and it doesn't hold your risk, just get out. Someone just said that Bimmy could squeeze in the chat. I guess it is kind of popping off consolidation.
Yep.
Christ, I hope it squeezes.
Because Brian wants to short it. Brian wants to short it.
I do want to short Bimmy a lot. Fuck Bimmy. It's a dead cat bounce.
I made money on that one. You didn't want to buy it? Remember you were going to try shorting it?
Wow, look at that sell-off. See, once it went red on the day, man. Once it went red on the day, it's just not coming back. On YTEN. Look at that. It's just selling off hard. YTEN. Jesus Christ. What a sell-off. What a great short, huh? All right, boys. Well, we'll be back next Friday for sure, though. We'll be back next Friday. Happy trading. Sorry we didn't make any fucking money. Fuck it, right? Yeah. Well, just can't give up. Just got to keep coming back every time.
That's right. Every day. You never know.
Just keep coming back. You know, eventually some of these setups will start working. There's a lot of times when this setup would have worked. It would have bounced right off of green to red, and it would have fucking came back, and we would have made $1, $2, $3 a share. You know? Yeah, God help me. Oh, hope got it. I didn't see the hope part.
I bought resist. I'm in
Bimmy
at 440.
God, I hope it squeezes.
It is. I'm already up 180 bucks. I think it's going to get to 550.
I'm going to resist the temptation to short it.
Got my stop loss moved up, so I can't lose on this trade already. Hopefully I can get some money back from YTEN.
Yeah, this YTEN trade was fucking horrific.
I mean, it might be the one. It's getting a lot of volume, a lot of attention. Squeeze me. Come on, baby. Squeeze. Up 300. Come on. I only bought 1,000 shares, so.
I hope it squeezes for you, Henry. Hope it keeps going. LPTH still holding up, consolidating. Tesla. Yeah, everyone's been talking about. I haven't traded Tesla at all. It's too high price for me.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
The only way I would trade it is with some options, and I don't know shit about options. I don't know how to execute options. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I seen something. I forget what it was on Twitter or whatever. Somebody had options of Tesla. One person made over $1 million. The other person made like $4 million. Because they bought like, I don't know, 30,000 shares or something crazy.
I believe it.
No option. You can lose a ton of money in that. That's worse than shorting.
All right, fellas. I gotta go. My kid looks like he needs to eat. So take it easy. See y'all next Friday.